Today, in this video, I will guide you on how to create a brand new Gmail account without a phone number on mobile. If you don't want to give your phone number, then follow each step and don't skip the video. If you find this video useful, then don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get started. Very first step is to open the Gmail app on your mobile device. Then click on your profile icon in the top right side corner. Below you can see the option to add another account. Now, click on it. In this setup email page, click on Google because you are creating a Google account. Wait here for a few seconds and then click on Create Account when the new page appears. And then click on For My Personal Use because you are creating an account for your personal use, not for your business. Now, here you can enter your name, but the surname is optional. It means you can choose to write it or not. After that, just click on Next button. Now, here enter the date of birth, which should be older than 18 years. Select your gender below and then click on the Next button. Now, here on this page, create your username, but sometimes some usernames are not available, so add some numbers or letters. When it shows available, then just click on the Next button. Now, here is a very important section. Create a strong password that nobody can guess, and don't forget to note down your password, which you can use for future logins. After all that, just click on the Next button. Here, you can see that the phone number adding option has come up, but as I told you earlier, I am not going to add any phone numbers. To skip this, scroll down to the bottom and click on the Skip option. You will see that your account is almost ready. Here, click on the Next button. Then, on the Terms and Privacy page, scroll down and just click on the I agree button. Wait for a few seconds, and it will automatically redirect you to the email section. Now, click on the Profile option, and you can see your new Gmail or Google account is created. Click on this account to use it. This is how anyone can make a Gmail account without a phone number. But if you have any doubts left, then comment your query below.